Are you thinking of remodeling your kitchen but are not exactly sure where to start? I know it can be so overwhelming. So many different steps, so many suppliers, so many different color choices. In this quick video, I'm going to go ahead and break down or at least give you an overview of what that journey looks like from start to finish. All right, folks, step 1, inspiration and rough planning. It all starts with your vision. Whether you already know the style you want or you're just gathering ideas, this is where your dream kitchen begins. Searching YouTube, Pinterest, or Google to see what other folks are doing is a really great way to start. Spend the extra time in this process. We cannot stress it enough. It's very important. You're spending the money. This needs to be good, not just for the next 2 years, but for many years to come. Making color boards and treating this as a serious project will probably pay dividends. Number 2, design consultation. Next, we'll work with you to understand your space, your lifestyle, and how you plan to use the kitchen. Together, we'll create a layout that's both beautiful and functional. That's a complimentary service that we offer. It's pretty much what we do all day, every single day. You will follow our instructions on how to gather the measurements that we need. This part will take you maybe 15 minutes. It's pretty simple to follow. In 72 hours, you'll have a rough draft design that shows you exactly where each cabinet goes, how it's going to go ahead and look like, and if you'd like, we can even offer you a rough estimate so you know what to expect. Step 3, finalize your design. Once the layout is finalized, you'll choose your cabinet style, finish, storage features, and all the details that make the kitchen uniquely yours. We'll work with you until it's perfect for your entire family. We have more than 25 cabinet styles available, something for every home. All our cabinets are solid plywood with soft closing doors and drawers designed to last for a long time. And if it does not, our warranty covers that. We've got all types of pull-outs and special cabinets to make your life easier. Step number 4, ordering. After everything is approved, your order is prepared with care and every cabinet is checked before it leaves out for delivery. Your cabinets will be packed onto pallets and handed off to a reliable freight carrier such as UPS, XPO, and so on. We only use the best carriers. At that moment, we'll send you tracking info and specific instructions on how to receive the order. The packing process typically takes a week or so after ordering, meaning it takes us about a week to pack your order and get it shipped out. At that point, you're going to go ahead and receive that email with the tracking info and all of the other necessary information that you might need to receive the order. Step 5, delivery. When your cabinets arrive, they're carefully packaged and ready for the next step, assembly and installation. Typical lead time is 2 to 3 weeks from order to home delivery. We do service the entire United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. If you want to skip assembly, we can do it for you and deliver the cabinets completely ready to install. This step adds an extra week of lead time typically. Overall, you're looking at 2 to 3 weeks for unassembled cabinets and 3 to 4 weeks for assembled. This is from order to home delivery. So either 2 to 3 weeks or 3 to 4. Not bad. Next part, installation. We personally do not offer installation. It will be impossible to do since we do cover the entire country. You'll need to find someone local to do the work or simply do it yourself by watching a lot of YouTube videos. Maybe you have experience prior. Be sure to interview at least 3 installers to land a good deal and make sure that you're gonna have a good job done, because you can get nice cabinets, but if the install is not good, well, nothing will be good. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you were able to gather just at least a little bit of information. I told you it was just going to be an overview of what the journey looks like. And if you need any help with the 3D kitchen design or sample doors, the link is going to be in the description below. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, and we are here to help. Bye-bye.